Hey, hello. In this video, I'm going to show you a legit way. Well, this is actually a video in which I'm continuing on this series, which is my $25 biz. Okay, as you can deduct, okay, this is how you can turn a $25 business into a profitable business. Jana, what do you need a profitable business? A profitable business in which you can earn $5,000 if you decide to take action, $10,000 if you decide to take action. This is not a get rich scheme, guys, but this is a legit way. If you decide to take action and put the hours, you can earn money, and this is recurring income. Okay, so that means that you're going to be earning money month after month after month. Okay, if this is the very first video that you're watching, I suggest you to go to this YouTube channel, to the homepage, scroll down and watch this series, because I'm going to be recording more videos, and especially if this is the very first time, it's going to make sense if you decide to watch all of them. Okay, I'm actually sharing the same results that I'm using to grow this business. Okay, so again, this is not a get rich scheme. If you consider that this is something helpful, something that you want to learn, consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay, what is the online business? Is this one? It's the all-in-one business in which you can earn $20 commission and $100 commission. Okay, month after month after month. Here is a cool video. On the very first link, you're going to be watching this, and also there is other training. I don't want to be this video like super long, so I'm going to show you one strategy. You can stick to this one strategy if you want, or you can apply them all. Okay, so the reason why I decide to partner with them is the fact that they give you everything, okay, including the masterminds, including the tools, and all these things that you do see here. But there is one main reason why I decide to partner with them. Besides the community is amazing, besides the tools are great tools, besides the fact that they're giving the training, is this. Okay, okay? They partner with Feed My Starving Children, okay, which is a foundation, and every single time you make a sale, okay, they're gonna be helping these kids. So I think this is a good cause, and this is a great reason why I decided to partner them. Okay, yeah, there are monetary reasons, as you can see. If I scroll to the top, also remember that you can check this, like if you're going to be getting one sale per week, okay, you're going to be earning over $6,000 per month. If you go with two, it's going to be almost $150,000 per year, and so on. Okay, yeah, there are monetary reasons, but I don't know if you hear that there is a time that sometimes there is even something more important, and for me, is the reason that I'm helping a cause, okay, through a company that I believe. So if you want to join, use the very first link. There's going to be some extra training, and you're going to be landing on this page as well. You're going to see some testimonials. You're going to have some questions. There is a 30-day money back guarantee, so no question asked. If you decide that, okay, this is not for you, that's okay. So here you're going to land here. Please make sure that you're going to tick here where it says here yes. So you're going to have other ways in which you can drive traffic, okay, because you're going to have an amazing tool. You're going to have one way in which I'm going to show you how to drive traffic right away. But if you want to be part of a mastermind, okay, with 7-figure earners, if you want to learn more about traffic, more about lead generation, more about conversion, okay, you're going to have 2 weeks for free. And if you decide like, hey, that's something that you want to go ahead and continue, go ahead and continue. Okay, so it's $25. Remember, that's going to be the very first thing. So now we have the product that we're going to be promoting, and one cool thing about this product is that you're going to be earning money month after month after month. Okay, so the same way that you're paying your cell phone bill, the same way that you're paying your internet bill, these guys are going to be paying month after month after month. So we need traffic. So there are several ways in which you can drive traffic. For example, I use my YouTube channel. You can use pay ads. You can use Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. Okay, but I'm gonna be showing you one strategy. Again, there are other ways. I have a free training, and also by clicking here, you're gonna have more training. Okay, So there is a tool that I use that is called my lead gen secret. Okay, you can use it by clicking the second link in the description. Literally by paying $1 per day, you're gonna get 100 leads. Okay, so 100 people who are interested in what you have to promote. Okay, trust me, by paying $1, if you go and put an ad on YouTube or Facebook, on Instagram ads, even on TikTok, you are not gonna get 100 leads. Okay, just by paying $1. Sometimes just by paying $1, you're gonna get one lead if you really know what you're doing. Okay, so now they give you 100 leads. So what you're gonna be doing, you can create as many My Lead Gen Secret accounts as you want. Okay, one cool thing, let's say that you're gonna go with 2. One cool thing is that this is your first account, and by using this link, okay, you're gonna create a second account. Okay, they say that if you have at least one person who you sponsor, they're giving you double. So double the amount of the leads. So you're gonna get 200 on here and 100 on here. So you're gonna get 300 leads per day. Okay, so by 30 days, you're gonna get 9,000 leads. Okay, and this is gonna be growing and growing and growing. Okay, so now what we need, okay, we need to go to mailing system. Okay, we're gonna be sending an email to everybody, so we're gonna click here where it says select all, and now we need an email and a product to promote. Okay, we are gonna be promoting the all-in-one business. Okay, we're gonna be promoting this. I'm gonna give you the email because chances are that you're like, Diana, I have never sent an email before. Here, even on my playlist, I show you which are the steps that you need to follow after you register with the all-in-one business. How do you grab your link? And also, there are other emails, okay? You're gonna have access with the very first link as well to all that information. I have access to this Google Doc, okay? So here's the subject, okay? So we're gonna copy this, make 400 a day from your couch, and okay, so this is the subject, we're gonna paste it here, and this is the body. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it, I'm gonna paste it. Okay, we're gonna delete this, we're gonna paste it here. Okay, there are some changes that we're gonna be doing. First of all, we don't want this to be bold, and we want this to be at least 16. That's the size. Okay, so let me fix this here really fast. Okay, I'm gonna be making some corrections. Okay, so this is not MLM. Let me fix this. Okay, so here we have my name. Okay, so now we need the link, okay, because if we send it as it is right now, we're not going to be getting any commissions. Okay, so on the back office of the all-in-one business, you're going to have access to this. Again, remember, you're going to find this on the playlist, and also you're going to find this on the training. So we're going to be using this one, the all-in-one $25 business. Okay, you're going to copy this. Okay, and we're going to put the link here. Okay, click here to learn more. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, so it's going to be maybe 20. 20, it's too much, so 18. I'm going to put the link. I'm going to paste the link. Okay, and I'm also going to put the link here. This business is 100% legit. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. So I have what we call two call to actions, and I'm going to use the first name. Okay, so here I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put a space, so it says hey, the first name. Okay, let me make this 16. I want to make sure that it's actually 16. Oh, here it said hey, Suzanne, hey Marco, hey David. Okay, so what else we're going to be using? We're going to be using here where it says perfect timing, and then we're going to click here where it says send email. So that means that my lead gen seeker is going to make sure that people are going to be getting this email on the best time that they have more chances to click on it and open it. Okay, so this is how easy we can promote this. Okay, this is not something magical. This is something that you need to take action on a daily basis. If we go to let me show you my statistics. You're going to see that I use this pretty often. Okay, I use this pretty often, and I have been using this for a while. So I want you to take that into consideration. Okay, every single day you're going to be getting more and more leads, more opportunities to make sales. And remember, this is going to be like a snowball effect. Okay, with the amount of leads that you're going to get in and with the amount of sales that you're going to get in. You need to stick with this. Okay, in order to see real results, and I mean not one sale here and there, but sales on a daily basis. Okay, so welcome, because I'm pretty sure that you're going to join this. Welcome to the community. So make sure that you're going to be joining the community. Make sure that you're going to be part of the masterminds, and I see you inside of the all-in-one business. Until next video.